couple earning a combined income of $100,000 before tax with no dependents have a borrowing capacity of up to $700,000. That's something you probably weren't aware of, because $100,000 between two people, that's not a huge income, and it enables you to borrow up to $700,000. Doesn't necessarily mean you can buy a property for $700,000, because you still do need your deposit. So in conjunction with your deposit, you most likely can buy a property up to $700,000. Adding a credit card with a $10,000 limit to your liabilities will actually reduce your borrowing capacity by more than $60,000. Adding a $30,000 car loan to your liabilities will actually reduce your borrowing capacity by more than $106,000. So what I'm trying to get across here is consumer finance can be quite damaging to your borrowing capacity and to you entering into the home market. Remember, interest-free to buy appliances and furniture, how they do that is they fund it usually with a Go MasterCard with a $6,000 limit to it. Okay, so that also is another liability that will affect your borrowing capacity. So think carefully before you go and do these things if you are in the market to buy a home. So things like Zip Pay and Afterpay, they also come with credit limits and are considered liabilities by the banks when they're assessing your borrowing capacity. My clients that have the best savings patterns and are in the best position to buy a property are the ones with no liabilities, all right? So think twice before you go borrow money for a car, furniture, etc. I know it sounds a little bit old-fashioned, but if you do want to get into the home market and present yourself in the best light and enable yourself to save the required deposit you need, you are going to have to be a little bit tough on yourself. So the best advice I can give you when it comes to saving your deposit, open a dedicated savings account that works like a crab pot. You can only put money in, you can't get it out. Once you save your 5% genuine savings, the world will be your oyster.